How to redeem Doordash gift card. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can redeem your Doordash gift card. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Firstly, open up your Doordash application on your device. And if you don't have the Doordash application, simply download it from the App Store or Play Store. Now log in or create an account if you don't have one. Once you are logged in, go to the account section, then look for the gift card option and then tap on it. Now here you will see the option where it says have a gift card, redeem now. Simply tap on redeem now. Now it will take you to this page and here enter your gift card PIN. This special PIN number is either on the back of your physical card or in the email for digital cards. After you enter the PIN, tap on Redeem Gift Card option. Now with this, your gift card balance is now ready to use for any yummy orders. So that's how you can redeem a gift card on Doordash. Thank you for watching this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Until then, see you next time.